Anybody know what day it is today? Yes, it's a blessed day, March 14th, Pi Day. The ratio of a circle's diameter to its radius. An indefinite or ongoing number. Kid and Casey actually did the math. They decided to tie the knot on the one number that goes on forever. And yes, marriage, like pi, is a never-ending romance. As Mark Twain remarked, marriage makes two fractional lives a whole. It gives two questioning natures a reason for living and something to live for. And it will give a new gladness to the sunshine, a new fragrance to the flowers, a new beauty to the earth, and a new mystery to life. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It is not rude. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. Regardless of any preconceived notions you might have, has the capacity to deepen and challenge and strengthen you and your relationships in ways you never thought possible. The love you share must be guarded and cherished. It's your most valuable treasure.
I just want to wish you guys the best because you and Casey both deserve that. God bless you guys.
The ring's circular shape reflects the unending power of love, a force with no beginning and no end, just like pi, right? 3.14159263. Enough. You get it. The number goes on and on forever, just like we hope your marriage does.
At this point, we've each been each other's best man at each other's weddings. Our relationship as brothers has been through a lot, but I do believe it's made our relationship stronger. And I think marriage works the same way. There will be good times, bad times, ups, downs, highs and lows, and everything in between. But when it's family, you work through it. So no matter how hard things get, the two of you are now family. And we couldn't be happier for you.